So I'm in the basement. It's about 9:30 and I didn't want to jump straight into crochet just at the moment. I wanted to actually do my nails. There's a what is it called? Nailspiration that I found online that I really wanted. It's in my like vision board for 2025, and I know that sounds kind of weird that I have a vision board of like nails. I wanted to do my nails to look like that, and it's kind of like greenery related. The nails are frosty. It's short. I think I'm gonna do like a long version or a longer version of that, just because I want long nails right now. I don't want short nails. And yeah, I'm gonna do that, and then I'm going to try and assemble some flowers. My goal today is to assemble, I think, 6 flowers. Let me get to that. I have to clean off my desk, set up my nail stuff, set up a YouTube video, and do that. Okay? So this is how the vines came out. I really, really love them. It's giving like grandma gets tattooed vibes. I don't know. I'm into it. I'm into it a lot. I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so my nails are done. Now, let me get my workspace back. So right now, I think I'm going to try and at least get these sunflowers. I think I recorded footage of me crocheting some little baby breath flowers. So I think I want to get those assembled, or at least put together to like a certain extent. That way I can finish it tomorrow. And then I also have these 3 pumpkins that I made in the other vlog that I have to put on sticks. So I'm going to try and do that right now. My goal is 6. So let's see if I can get 6. So I have my stuff laid out here. And I think I'm going to start with the path of least resistance. So this is a gingerbread keychain that I was going to do a card charm, but I really don't have time to make it into a card charm. So I think I'm going to just fasten it off and make it into a pretty, a pretty keychain. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. I have these little flowers for just one baby's breath. So I have the yellow that I'm going to need to make the insides, and I'm going to make the insides for those. Then I'm debating whether or not I should make a leaf for these. I think I should. But if I make a leaf for them, then I might not be able to assemble them today. So I might just have to do the 3 pumpkins and like a baby's breath, and maybe make another daisy. So that's what I'm going to do. That would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be 6 things, not 6 flowers. And I want, well, technically that's only going to be like 2 flowers. So, alright. So let me stop talking. Let me get to doing this, and I'll catch you guys at the end. timer died, so I had to let it charge a little bit. But I did the sunflower the way I was talking about, where it comes, it's not coming out the front, it's not coming out the center, it's coming out off to the side. And I really like it. I really like it. It is a little bit wobbly. I didn't mean it to be like this wobbly. I think I'm gonna have to like double do it. But so this is, I did the daisy as well. So this is how they look like together. And if you want to, you can offset it like this, lower the daisy, do something. I originally had it pretty much like this. I had it like this, but I decided that, you know, I think this is better to give the sunflower more stability. So what I mean is, like, I had the sunflower a little taller, but I think I'm gonna have the sunflower just a little shorter, so it gives it more stability. I wrapped. I have this one ready to go. I just wanted to just confirm. I also changed the petals to be a little bit bigger, and I think I love this one way better than the way I was doing it before. This looks like a proper, like, sunflower to me. Like, this looks beautiful. So I still have the 3 pumpkins to attach onto the sticks. I have one more daisy to make, sunflower to make, and then I have these baby's breaths to create. So my hand's kind of hurting. I can't find my gloves. Like, this pad part right here is really, really bothering me. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to switch over to making the baby's breath, then do my sunflower, then close out this vlog. Oh, maybe I should do this, because this doesn't actually require me to grab something. Oh man, okay. And yes, I wrote down my changes. One thing that, you know, if you guys are crocheting and stuff like that, I would highly suggest you color code things, or you write down, you like highlight, you highlight what different things mean. So for me, if it's green, I have like a portion in the back of this. It's called patterns. And so I don't green that area out. That's just, it's like a dedicated space. But I noticed that I ran out of space in the back of the book for patterns. And sometimes when I'm testing something out, when I'm trying to make it my own, when I'm tweaking things, it's beneficial for me to just like start writing it in my planner. So like anything that's green, like I don't know if you can see this. I don't really want to show it because it is patterns, but anything that's green is a pattern. And in the tabs, if it's green, it's a pattern. And I forgot how I did my sunflowers. So I just went over here and I just started looking through my green until I found the sunflowers. Now granted, it could be a little bit more organized with like the name just on the side. But I have this here like this because eventually I want to move all my patterns to, do I have the book with me? No. I wanted to move all my patterns to a dedicated pattern book that is, it's probably not going to be alphabeticalized, but it is going to have like fall, spring, flowers, Halloween flowers, Christmas flowers, that's probably like the winter flowers, and a section with greenery, and then another section with like accessories. Now the accessories would be something like this. It's not a flower, but I'm going to crochet it. I'm going to stick it onto a stem, and it's going to be a little accessory for the bouquets. So yeah, that's coming up. And then once I have that, maybe I'll start publishing my own patterns and making tutorials on YouTube. The tutorials would be free, and then the paid for pattern you can find like online. Okay, so let me keep going and finish this so I can finish the vlog. I had to make some tea because it hit like 54 tonight. I had to turn my heat on. Also, I'm in the basement and the basement does not have heat. So I had to get some tea. I have to bring down my heater. But man, it was tough. It was tough for a little bit down here. It wasn't like doing my nails was fine, but then it's like the temperature just started dropping and my hands started to like freeze. So then I had to go get some tea, hold it for a little bit. I feel a lot better and I'm gonna keep going now. And that is it. Yay! I'm so excited. How do you even like hold this? Oh god. Okay. Yeah. All right. All right. So that's the end of the vlog. In total, I think we did 9 things. Is it 9? We did 2 sunflowers, and I think these look way better. Even though they're coming out the back the way they're coming out, they don't look any less real than the other ones, although I don't like that, so I might have to double stem them, 18 gauge, and I might pair it with a 16 gauge. Because I don't want to use 2 18s, but I do want this to be not blowing in the wind. So I have 2 sunflowers, 3 pumpkins, 1 daisy, 1 baby's breath, and this was the quickest thing. I just fixed the green chain in order to make it a keychain, and I think it looks beautiful. No face, but honestly, with the way I do amiguri, no face is good. So this is what I was able to accomplish today. Not too bad. Not too bad. I feel very accomplished. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I did shorten the nails. I wasn't feeling the points. I wasn't feeling the point. For Halloween though, I'm definitely going to have the long nails. I think I might go to a salon to get my nails done. Then I'll come home and do the nail art on them. Just because I know I'm going on a trip in 2 weeks. Is it 2 weeks? Maybe it's a week and a half. I'm going on a vacation in a week and a half, and I want to make sure my nails are done, ready to go. It's going to be right before Halloween. We're going to be doing Halloween things there, and I want my nails to match. I have a person vlogging. So I guess I can say I did that too. I don't have to be successful. I just have to do it. And it makes me happy. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Leave a comment down in the description of anything. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching this video. And I can't wait for number 10. Bye!